Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with lesson number 9, which is going to be a consonants L, B, C, G, F, J and N. If you did not subscribe to our channel, pause the video, go subscribe and hit the bell icon. A, L, all. It's your time to read now. H, all, hall. It's your turn to read now. S, all, Sol. Your time to read now. B, add, bad. Your time to read now. B, an, ban. Your time to read now. B, and, band. Your turn. B, at, bat. Your turn. K, ab, cab. Your turn to read now. K, add, cad. Your turn to read now. K, all, call. Your turn to read now. K, at, cat. Your turn. K, an, can. Your turn. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and it was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. For more updates, you can hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.